Welcome to my channel. My name is Milenko. This on my left side, which you will see guys in a second, is my 2013 Hyundai Veloster. This is my Copart project, the first one, very first one. Unfortunately, I didn't made any. I did made some, but not as much as I wanted to. The footage of me picking up the vehicle, driving it back home. So hopefully you will enjoy this my rebuild series, and if you do, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel. For the similar projects like this one, most of the work on the vehicle I'll be performing myself. The damage was at the... Okay, let me take the camera right now. The vehicle was in a front-end collision, and this is the damage. As you can see, the strut has been bended, sway and a lower control arm. Front door, front fender. I managed already to get my replacement parts. Not all of them, but most of them. So in a box there is a replacement front end fender. Resonator is broken. The replacement one from Hyundai 2014 Accent will not fit, so I will have to return this one. I bought a used fenders. They have 33,000 kilometers on it, and that's about it. Like, the vehicle was disassembled in the shop, and I was super lucky, right? All the parts, headlight, rear light, inner fender, like everything was disassembled and was in a trunk, right? I will show you right now the damage of on the tire. So yeah, tomorrow I will take this to do the balance test and to see if there's any actual bent in the rim. Yeah, and yeah, let me give you a quick little guide through the vehicle, right? For some reason, I don't know why, door handle was disassembled. Right, so yeah, this is the interior. It's a nice, lovely vehicle, right? Yeah, and the super funny thing, I mean, not funny, but the thing that caught my eye is this. This vehicle comes with 3 doors, right? When I saw this, I thought yeah, trunk and 2 side doors, but no, this vehicle has 3 side doors. As you can see, there isn't one on this side. Besides the parts that are damaged, I really didn't I really was lucky, and I didn't need to get any other parts. Like a front bumper is intact, no chips, no it isn't broken, no tabs broken or anything similar like that. Yeah, so let's jump into the today we will remove the strut and a lower control arm, and we will replace that and hopefully turn the vehicle around so we have a nice better picture and nice better view. Okay. you can witness actual damage on the strut, and this is a replacement part. Okay, quick update. Lower control arm has been removed after 20 minutes of hard beating. Okay, new part is going in. So, I'll try to demonstrate how bad this was. Look. Okay. New part of the new ball joint. Look how bad this was. So there's no rear view mirror here, so I need to be really cautious. So, quick update. Manual gearbox with a push start button, clutch, not a brake. So just a quick update on Veloster project. I finally managed to replace the front left strut, lower control arm and a sway bar link. So the next step is going to be some body work. That's something that I will to a body shop. There is some slightly damage on the door, and I bought a new fender that will need to be repainted. I will need to get a new or used air box resonator, inner liner. Yeah, like for the left side, and other than that, like, car doesn't need anything else. So once that all is done. I have just talked to the salvage inspector. He will take the vehicle after all work has been done. Hopefully we will get the rebuild title. Stay tuned for the next coming videos. If you like the content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and even consider subscribing. Until the next episode, take care. Bye.